Awesome. Hi guys. Hello. This is my first official art video. Actually, it's not my very first art channel video. Welcome to my art channel, by the way. This is my official art video because the ones that I did before were just kind of like tag-alongs, and we didn't really have like a fluidity or just a really good stance of going whatnot. But they were the practice ones that I did like in the past couple of years. I'm going to be talking to my daughter very soon because she's actually taping. Do I look okay? I hope so. At any rate, so welcome to my art channel. This beautiful painting that you see behind me, this is one of my paintings I'm working on right now of my husband. It's entitled Natural Libre, and I'm really excited about it. It's 80% done. I just have to add the tattoos on him. He has lots of tattoos, and I'm going to be working on that and finishing that up. There are some there's art gallery submissions I want to get it into, some art competitions that are coming up, and just more particularly dealing with a lot of figurative painting for artists and whatnot. So also I want to see if I can actually sell and whatnot. So see what happens with that. So for this art channel, my art channel, we're going to be focusing on visual arts, paintings, drawings, 2D, also sculpture, and also there's going to be some like stop motion animation films, like tutorials popping up, because I am working on the post editing for that. And see if I can get that out the door into an animation festival. And so that's going to be coming up in the next few weeks. My end goal for this is, so last year was just kind of like a sabbatical for me. I was very pregnant, and we had our sixth child. Husband and I have been married for 11 years. I popped out 6 kids. Happily, awesomely married, and kids keep me busy, whatnot. So I was very pregnant. Didn't have time to really do just videos on a regular basis. And so I believe this is actually it. The time that I can do this now. My goal is to, if I can actually just get out like 2 to 3 minute videos on a daily basis. That would be really good start for me, Monday through Friday. So we'll see what happens, and then if that happens well, then I'll just kind of pump it up to 7 days a week, and then that happens well, I'll be doing like 2 videos a week, just to really gain that like viewership and just dipping it across as many social media platforms that I can. Thank you. So I'm so glad that you've come to see this video. What I actually would like to do is for the next video that you come by to see, I will go through the methodology and technique. This is my beautiful little lovely daughter, Ice Cream Kitty, and they are just absolutely precious. She's a masterpiece. And so is Ice Cream Kitty. I would actually want to go through the methodology, the technique of going and processing this hyperrealism painting that I'm going to be doing. This is when I first started out doing paintings about like 19 years ago. I did a lot of like just psychological, figurative painting, trying to really just hone and discover and explore my figurative painting style. And I really believe this is it, where I'm coming into this hyperrealism, this phase of wanting to do more hyperrealism portraits, and just portraits dealing with like fantasy notions of scenes, whatnot. So this is what happens. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. And welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. This is actually it.